Here comes train number 5, the California Zephyr. In right on time. Just a little before 4 o'clock, 3:58, 3:59-ish. Good handful of people getting off here in Martinez this afternoon. Looks like Conductor Tom taking care of some baggage work there. A few people off the sleepers. Yeah, it's Conductor Tom. And a good handful of people getting off in coach. Almost to Emeryville. Train number 5. Your westbound train from Chicago to San Francisco, making its second to last stop here in Martinez this afternoon. Three sleepers, diner, lounge car, and 2 coach cars. 2 coach cars on the Zephyr.
UP detector, milepost 31.4, track 1. No defects. Detector out.